kids! How are you? I am Ellie the Elephant. So today we'll be eating some vegetables. Would you like to eat some vegetables with me? Yes, but first we need to identify which vegetables we're going to eat. Are you ready? Let's start. What vegetable is this? This is a carrot. Let's eat some carrot. Ready? Nom, 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 nom. Yummy! Next. What is this? Oh, what is this? This is an eggplant. Would you like to help me eat some eggplant? Ready? Nom, 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 nom. Yummy! Next. What is this? What is this vegetable? This is a cucumber. Let's eat some cucumber. Hum, yum, 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 yum. Yummy again. Next. What would be our next vegetable? What is